Yeah. Or like. Do you have any more? Can you show me? You feel it, and it gets different sounds. So like if you're like this. That's like one sound. But then you keep swallowing another air, and if you kind of sit back.
There's a little one for you.
I felt like that. Oh my. Whoa.
That hurt my ear.
It's coming out of your throat different, so it's like burbly or something. I can't explain it. It's disgusting.
You can't get it all come out at once.
There, but I want to make it sure it's really loud. Oh,
Get it out.
one burp.
Anyways. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, hang on one second. I have another call coming in, okay? Whatever. Oh, God, this one's driving me crazy. I'm all out.
You are.
Yeah, my little. Back.
And they get better once you keep getting more used to doing it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yes, you're gonna be pee.
Beverages? We're almost done with it.
It's starting to hurt now.
How you have to brace yourself?
I do because I have to. I'm swallowing it. But the thing that sucks is they get pushed harder. Nothing comes out. You gotta push hard.
You're scaring me now.
Katrina. Hello out there. I'm sure everybody. I'm out.
Poltergeist.